Here's my key, philosophy. A freak like me just needs infinity. Relax, take your time.
Take your time to trust in me, and you will find infinity, infinity. Take your time to trust in me, and you will find infinity, infinity. And time goes by so naturally while you receive infinity.
Okay, so as soon as you walk in, there's a little mirror. Also, when you're walking out, you can watch yourself. And there's a little board that says welcome, and you're supposed to sign in, but no one has because I haven't applied that rule. So then immediately when you enter this like hallway thing, you see the living room slash dining room. So for my living room thing, I have this cute little couch and these two little love seat thingies to go with it. I still want a pillow for that, of course, so it matches that, but we'll see. Then you have this cute little chair thingy, not chair. Then we have my picture wall, and I did it all black and white, and there's like a big hole right here because I want a selfie of me somehow. Still haven't decided which one, so any suggestions would be helpful. Then I have this little desk thingy again here, and this is more so I can just like throw my keys, whatever. Then we have this little more love thing that actually lights up if you connect it. I don't know where the little cable is, but whatever. So then you have this dining table with all my chairs. I think it's so cute. It looks so good with the marble and this like little gold thing. And then I have this plant, and I put this little flamingo thingies in there because they're cute. And my flowers that are slowly dying, which I'm sad about, but they've lasted for like 12 days, so that's good. So if anyone wants to send me some flowers, let me know. So then we have the view, of course, these like 4 big windows here. So that's actually what the tower looks like. There's 4 of them that are part of this complex. They're called the Presidential Towers. And they're all kind of connected with, like, if you see those like tunnels down there, they're all connected, so you can walk from tower to tower without having to go outside, which is cool. And then over there, if you guys see this, that's like the little patio area that goes all the way around to the other tower that's like over there, and that's where the gym is with the outdoor pool and stuff, which is really cool, and I just joined that today. Okay, so then you go into here. So this is not a 1-bedroom, it's called like a convertible, because if you see right there, there's a little wall that closes, so technically it could be about 1 bedroom, but it's not. Okay, so then you step into here, and it's carpet, and you go into my room thing area, which is so nice. So I got the gold mirror. There's me again. Then we have my desk where I'm gonna do my makeup and my homework and stuff. Then I got these 2 little side things for my bed. Then this is to be determined how I'm gonna actually do this, because I ordered another one of those, and I can't tell if I want them both standing up and then put the TV, so then I have more little things to put drawers in, or I'm just gonna leave it like that. So that's to be determined still. Another side table. So then this has 2 closets. and you open them like this. So then I kind of did these are like my shirts type, like sweater thingies, my t-shirts, my workout stuff, and then these are like the tennis shoes and boots area. So I did that. And then over here there's another one. If you open it, same thing. So here I did more of my dressy shoes, my heels, my pants, my dresses, and then yoga pants, shorts, all of that up there. Yeah, I don't have a lot because I got rid of a lot because, you know, new chapter in life, new clothes as time goes by. Okay, so then this is the door that actually closes as well for my bedroom. So then you go out again into this little hallway, and then this whole thing is another closet area, pretty big. So here I put my sweaters, and then just storage of different items. Actually, let me turn that off, excuse me, moi. Alright, so then in here is the bathroom. Pretty tiny, but efficient. So we have the sinks. Cute. And then this little thing. And in here, I kind of organized it to be where all my hair products, my hair ties, bobby pins, floss, my face stuff, all of that in there. Okay, then you have, I love this one, the shower curtain says get naked, super cute. And if you open it, I just took a shower, so it's a little humid and wet in here, but that's what the shower looks like. Okay, then you go back out, and this is back in the hallway. And here is this huge closet. It opens 2 doors, and this is literally just like, look how big. It has like so much stuff. You could literally fit like a whole bedroom in there. So this is where I hung all my clothes. I mean my jackets and vests and all of that, and just have extra storage of stuff in here. Okay, and then I think I showed you guys. This is the kitchen. So it's like this little, you walk into this little thing, kitchen. So you have the fridge. And it's pretty full right now of, you know, healthy-ish things because you're trying to be healthy. Of course, we got our alcohol supplements, that stuff. Freezer, the crock pot, my coffee machine, this little teapot, more alcohol. And so the theme for my kitchen that I loved, and actually it's kind of all over my house, is like this lettering. So I have all of that, and I'll show you guys here. Like all my plates are like that. Cereal, all of that, like cute little ones. Even like the glasses are in here. Even these have like that lettering and stuff from the Bears game. Iconic. They're gonna go to the Super Bowl, but whatever. And then the regular ones, all my teas. All the food that I'm not proud to binge on, but I have to sometimes. And over here, this is more so like Tupperware Ziploc bags, and then my blender thingy. And then this is kind of where there's like pasta, and then this little spinny thingy that has like my spices and stuff. A lot of this stuff my mom gave me that I don't even know how to like cook with, but like we'll see. But yeah, like you see stir, all of that fun stuff. I need to get like a bin for all this because it looks perfect like this. But these are my gold spoons, of course. Metal straws because save the frickin' turtles, always. Again, I need to get the storage, but these are like so cute, like marbly ones. All the supplies that you may need in here. Okay, so these look small when you like look at them, but if you see it, it's like it goes all the way in, which is like weird because it's like kind of hard to get into, but whatever. So I have like baking stuff, little table thingies, cutting boards. There's a pan probably in the washer there, but one there. And I stored like most pans and stuff in here under the stove, this thing, the sink, this little cute thingy, the dishwasher, garbage can no one cares about. But yeah, so what I'm kind of missing is of course my selfie up there. And then a little something for that wall because I feel like it looks empty, but like I don't know why. I'm still deciding on what I want. Obviously my pillow. I'm waiting for that one thing like that I showed you guys for my TV to figure that